Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Jobs for Engineers. Mechanical Engineer Water Permanent at Black and Wedge. Black and Wedge is the largest engineering firm in the Kansas City, USA. Black and Wedge is an employee-owned engineering, procurement, consulting and construction company with a 100-year legacy of innovations in sustainable infrastructure. It is a global engineering, procurement, construction, EPC and consulting company specializing in infrastructure development in power, oil and gas, water, telecommunications, government, mining, data centers, smart cities and banking and finance markets. Black and Wedge has more than 100 offices worldwide and has executed projects in more than 100 countries on 6 continents. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Now, let us see who can apply for this post. Mechanical engineers can apply for this post. For getting more details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From this channel, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now, let us see the details about this opportunity. Black and Wedge, Mechanical Engineer Water Permanent is the post name. Requisition ID is 40302. Job title is Mechanical Engineer Water Permanent. Business unit sector is CPL Water Mumbai. Department BVCPL Water India MECP. Work location is in Mumbai too. Opportunity type is staff. Job summary. Functions in an engineer capacity under close supervision, performs routine aspects of engineering assignments requiring knowledge and application of basic engineering principles, applies knowledge of engineering principles to prescribed techniques and procedures to complete project assignments. Key responsibilities. Engineering standards. Develop familiarity by reading, understanding and applying departmental design guides, standards, systems, applicable engineering codes and Black and Wedge policies and procedures. Quality or continuous improvement. Develop an understanding and complies with the Black and Wedge quality program. Supports continuous improvement and change management effort. Engineering production, project coordination, client focus, knowledge sharing, innovation and technology. Share current knowledge of latest technology and process, etc. Minimum qualification. No experience required for this post. Requires a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering from either a recognized accredited program in the home country. All applicants must be able to complete pre-employment onboarding requirements if selected, which may include any of the following: criminal or civil background check, drug screen, and motor vehicle records search in compliance with any applicable laws and regulations, etc. Preferred non-technical skills: learning on the fly, problem solving, intellectual horsepower, written communication, drive for result, informing, listening, dealing with ambiguity. Preferred technical skills: basic knowledge of engineering design principles and applicable design guidelines and standards related to assigned engineering discipline. Basic industry knowledge and technology trends. Basic knowledge of company quality program. Basic knowledge of construction and constructability practices and principles, etc. Role is mechanical water permanent. Function area is engineering firm. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all the details of this opportunity. From our channel Engineering Jobs for You, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Thank you.